So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build this system step by step. So basically, to help you understand this business, instead of buying a pickaxe to mine for gold, I sell the pickaxe to the people who want to mine. In the same way, instead of being a freelancer, I sell a service to freelancers, which is the one thing they all need, a portfolio that makes them look better than their competitors. Now let me show you how this actually works. We use a Google form to collect freelancer info, send it to an AI assistant called MaxClaw, and it instantly builds a full portfolio plus a high converting email to close the sale. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get freelancers to fill this form and how to scale this to $1,400 plus a day. But before we build anything, let me show you the exact tools that make this work. Minimax. This is the only tool I've found that can actually build and deploy a portfolio in minutes. So I tested it with a prompt to generate the most dynamic portfolio possible, and also asked it to deploy it and give me a preview link. And there you go. In less than 3 minutes, it created a full portfolio. That's why I like it. It's the easiest and most affordable way to deploy with OpenClaw. No extra API costs. But the real game changer is MaxClaw. This is the AI assistant that runs everything 24/7. You activate it with one click, and in seconds, it's ready to go. So now that you get the system, let's start by creating our assets, the Google form and the Gumroad sales page. So first, search for Google Forms on Google and click New Form. For the questions, you'll find in the blog, in the description, the link to my form so you can copy the same questions if you want. After publishing it, click on Responses, then click Link to Sheets, hit Create, and there you go. It will create a new Google Sheet where you'll see all your leads. For the Gumroad sales page, I got you with this ultimate prompt that will generate everything you need. Just paste it into any chatbot like Minimax to keep the work on one place, and you'll get the title, which is Your Portfolio is Ready. Here's what happens next. That's because the person already saw the preview before clicking on your Gumroad link to pay. You will also get the description and the cover image prompt. Take that prompt and put it into Leonardo AI to generate a clean cover with a 50% discount label, because we'll set the price at $149, but we'll add a 50% discount. So after adding all your information and the cover, click Next, then paste this message here. You'll also find it in the blog. This message basically tells them to wait 12 to 24 hours while you deliver the final portfolio. Then click Publish. Now go to checkout, click on Add Discount, name it anything, and set the discount code. Then select the product and click Add Discount. After that, go to the checkout form and make sure to enable the discount option. Now, when someone goes to your sales page, clicks I want this, and enters your discount, they get 50% off. So now that we got our assets ready, let's set up the automation system. First thing, we should link our Telegram to MaxClaw. So create an account on Telegram, then create a bot. To do this, search for BotFather. Click Start, then select New Bot. He will ask you for a name. Name it anything, like AI Portfolio Agency. Then he will ask for a username. It must end with bot, so just use the same name and add bot at the end. And there you go, your bot is live. Copy the token and save it. We'll need it later. Now search for a bot called What's My Telegram Chat ID. Click Start, then click on Me, and it will send you your chat ID. Now go back to MaxClaw and send it the message. You'll find it in the blog. Here, paste the bot token, and here, paste the chat ID. Send it. And just like that, MaxClaw is connected to your Telegram bot. If I tell it, send me a message, it will send it directly to Telegram. So step 1 is done. Now step 2, create a free account on make.com. Click on Scenario, then create a scenario, then click the big plus button and select Google Sheets. Click Watch New Row, then create a connection and sign in with the same Gmail so it can access your Google Sheet. Now copy the name or the ID of your Google Sheet from the link. Paste it here, give it any name, and hit save. From here, select all. Now click the plus button again, add Telegram bot, and select Send a text message. Click Create Connection. They will ask for the token. Use the same one we used before. Then the chat ID. Same thing, paste it here. Now for the message that will be sent, go back to the blog. Scroll to the ultimate MaxClaw automation prompt. Copy only the input format and paste it here. Now remove the placeholder text and click on the tag, like name. Do the same for all the others. These tags are connected to your Google Sheet columns, so it will collect all the data and send it to Telegram. Then hit save. Now save the scenario. Set it to run every 15 minutes. And that's it. Every time a new row is added, it will be sent directly to Telegram. Now the last step, take the full prompt and send it to MaxClaw. First, at the top it says, you are the freelancer portfolio automation agent for Mr. AI Cash. Change that to your name or your brand. Second, change the Gumroad link, put your own product page. And lastly, the coupon code. Make Make sure it's the same one you created on Gumroad. Now copy everything and send it to MaxClaw. And just like that, your automation system is activated. Here's how it works in real life. Once someone fills out your Google form, you don't even need to click anything. After 15 minutes, it runs automatically. You get a message on Telegram. Now from your phone or laptop, you just copy that message and send it back to the bot remotely. MaxClaw receives it, and as you can see, it starts typing. That means it's generating the portfolio using that information. And in about 30 seconds, you get a full portfolio. There's no way a high-end animated page should be created this fast. Now you just take the email, even from your phone, and send it to the freelancer. And trust me, once they see their own portfolio already built, they have a very high chance of buying. So the automation part is done. Now the real question is, how do we get free traffic and buyers to our form? For this, I want you to go directly to the homepage of freelancing platforms like Fiverr. From here, you can see all the freelancing niches. So pick one, then filter by new sellers, and also filter by country. Try to target high-paying countries because those clients are ready to pay if something can improve their work. Then sort everything by new arrivals. And now you've got your target audience right in front of you. So pick someone, click on Contact Me, and start the conversation. The first message should be simple. Just say hey or something natural to open the chat. It needs to be more than 40 characters so it actually sends. After that, I've got you with a ready message that explains why they're not getting clients and shows them the solution. But here's the most important part. Respect Fiverr's policy. Don't send spammy messages. So take that message, put it into ChatGPT, and ask it to generate different variations. This way, you don't look like a bot. And by the way, Fiverr allows links. They just take a minute to check if they're safe. Since our form is on a Google domain, we're good. After around 24 hours, I actually got the Telegram message 5 times, and I was replying to them directly from my phone without even opening my laptop. Then I saw my first sale, $75 from just 5 leads. So yeah, this confirms the offer is actually good. I didn't even contact that many freelancers, just around 30 people, and that took me about an hour because I was replying to them when they had questions. Now, of course, we're not done yet. I still need to deliver the hosted portfolio to the freelancer. So to keep things simple, you can take the freelancer's name and email from Gumroad, then go to MaxClaw and ask for the preview link. Let's preview it first. Nah, that's crazy. Now I understand why he paid for it. This one hits way harder. I think it's the best one so far. So without wasting time, take this prompt, paste it into MaxClaw, and add the preview link. MaxClaw will generate a file. Click on it, then save as to download the file. Now go to GitHub, create a free account, and create a new project. Name it with the freelancer's name to keep things organized. Then upload the file you just downloaded. Once that's done, go to Versal, create an account, and click on New Project. Connect your GitHub account, select the project, and click Deploy. Wait a few seconds, and you'll get the final link ready to send to your client, and your job is done. So getting your first client is easy, but scaling is where most people get stuck. So there are actually 2 ways to scale, by time and by money. For the time way, you can literally just send more messages, not only on freelancer platforms, but also in communities like Facebook groups, where you'll find a lot of active freelancers. And as you can see, most of them don't have clients. So it's a great opportunity. You can craft a post like this one or this one. You'll find a prompt in the blog to generate these types of posts. And of course, you can attach some images of the portfolios you already made. The second way, scaling with money. You can simply create ads like this one.
You're a freelancer, but still no clients? It's not your skills, it's how you look online. Right now, you look like everyone else. No reason to pick you. We fix that with a clean, high-converting portfolio that makes you look premium instantly. And you don't pay anything until you see it and like it. Fill the form below, get your preview, and start getting orders.
Then run ads on TikTok or Facebook, targeting freelancers, and use your Google form as the link to drive traffic. So yeah, if you want to set this up and run it 24/7, check out MaxClaw, link in the description. Good luck.